In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes for beginners and save money doing it with TurboTax basics. So, let's dive right in and simplify this process together. First, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax official website. This is where all the magic happens. Filing your taxes online can be daunting if you're just starting out, but TurboTax makes the process incredibly user-friendly. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Simply click on it to open up the login page. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts provided. Having an account allows you to save your progress and come back to it later if you need to take a break. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the tax home. This section serves as a dashboard where you can manage all your tax-related activities. It's a great place to get an overview of what you've already completed and what still needs some attention. In the tax home, you'll see an option for TurboTax Free Edition 2024. This is ideal for beginners filing simple tax returns, so go ahead and select that option. After selecting the free edition, you'll want to click on the Review/Edit button. This action will take you to a page where you can review all the information you've entered so far. Double checking everything is crucial to ensure that your personal and financial details are correct. Even small errors can cause bigger issues down the line, so take your time here. Now you're ready to click on My Info. This is where you'll input personal details which are essential for the IRS to process your tax return correctly. In the My Info section, enter details such as your name, address, and social security number. This information may seem straightforward, but it's important to make sure everything matches exactly as it appears on previous tax documents or any legal IDs you have to avoid any discrepancies. Once you've completed filling out the personal information, the next step is to click on Personal Profile. Here you'll be prompted to answer questions regarding your filing status and any dependents you might claim. If you're uncertain about these options, TurboTax provides helpful explanations to guide you through the process. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the initial steps of filing taxes with TurboTax. Remember, as you become more familiar with the process, it will get easier each year. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be stressful or costly, and with these basics, you're on your way to saving money and filing with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy filing.